What the fuck? Well, no, like, for school. At least I got it. Yeah! Ready? Yep. Yay!
What are you doing?
I just touched your boob.
I don't like my hair pulled, okay? It's not my fetish.
Oh, by Adams?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there's water in here.
Is it cold? Not really. It feels kind of good. Oh. This is broken. That's probably why I shouldn't be in here, right?
I'll just leave that there.
Nah.